Hello friends, you are most welcome in the TECH classes and in the learning of physics classes. Today you are going to see some numericals based on the previous theory or a straight line motion. So let's start. Our first numerical is that please pay attention, otherwise you will not able to understand it. This is slightly tricky example, and all of the numerical which I will tell you will be slight tricky or more difficult, advanced tricky, and normal questions I will not put here. All will be slightly tricky, so please full focus on this. Okay, let's start it. On a 60-kilometer track, a train travels the first 30 kilometer with a uniform speed of 30 kilometer. Okay, there is a track of 60 kilometer, means length of the track or total distance of the track is 60 kilometer, and first 30 kilometer a particle have covered with uniform speed with 30, and how fast must the train travel the next 30 kilometer, so that average 40 kilometer for the entire trip, means particle is, understand it, particle is at A and next point is B. This is the initial point, and this is the final point. So particle start from A and cover a 30 kilometer, and length of this track is 60 kilometer, and first 30 kilometer particle has covered 30 kilometer particle has covered with v1. I will say v1 is equal to 30 kilometer per hour, and I am saying that next 60 minus 30, that is 30 kilometer. This distance will be covered with v2. Let assume. Okay, so this is 30 kilometer. So what we will say average velocity. We have learned average speed, which is given here 40 kilometer per hour. This is equal to total distance divided by total time. Okay, so we are assuming that the point till the particle is moving with a velocity of 30 kilometer per hour, b dash. So this point is b dash. Okay, so what we will say, a along the path a b dash, the time needed is t1 and distance is x1 and velocity is v1, and for the remaining part time required is t2, speed is v2, and distance covered is x2. So okay, so average speed is total distance upon total time. So total distance is, what will be the total distance, this plus this, so x1 plus x2, that will be total distance x, that will be the total distance x divided by time needed for that. So T1 plus T2. So this will be T1 plus T2. And how we will find T1? T1 will be distance divided by velocity. Distance is x1 divided by velocity is v1. x1 divided by velocity v1, and T2 will be x2 divided by v2. x2 divided by v2. Okay, so what we are saying that x1 is given here. T1 is equal to x1 is 30 kilometer upon v1, and T2 is equal to x2 60 minus 30, that divided by 30 divided by v2. So this is also 30 by v2. And now it is given that average speed is 40 kilometer. So this is given average 40. So 40 is equal to x1 plus x2, that is x means 60 kilometer. This divided by T1 is this 30 upon v1 plus 30 upon v2. So this will become 60 divided by 30 common, and this will become 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. And after solving this, we will get 2 into v1 into v2 upon v1 plus v2. v1 plus v2. This is the equation first. So what we will say that we have given v1 is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. It can be solved only two line, and for to make you understand, I am just making it lengthy. So put v1 is equal to this 40 is equal to 2 to 30 into v2 divided by 30 plus v2, and solve this. So 4 3 ja 12, it will become 1200 plus 40 v2, that is equal to 60 v2. So it will become v2 is equal to 1200 divided by 20, I mean 60 kilometer per hour. So answer v2 will be 60 kilometer per hour. Thank you. If you have any difficulty in this problem, you can comment. I will definitely resolve your problem. Thank you.